In this video, we'll be traveling to the beautiful island of Koh Samui, which is the second largest island in Thailand. There are many different options of getting to the island. You can take a direct flight from Bangkok to Koh Samui Island, which is more of an expensive option. A cheaper option would be flying from Bangkok to Suratthani Airport, which is about an hour and 10 minutes. When you arrive at Suratthani Airport, you will have to buy a van ticket, which will take about an hour and 30 minutes to get to the pier. When you arrive at the pier, you'll take a ferry, which is a 45-minute journey.
Alright, we're here at a place called The Mud. Yeah, The Mud, and it's a cafe, restaurant, and a hotel, all three together.
Okay, so we're just gonna come get something to drink from here. This is a very unique looking cafe, restaurant, hotel.
it's like a treehouse kind of vibe.
Yeah, it's got like beautiful nets. I love the look of it here. We'll show you some videos and see what they have on the menu. Okay, we're now going to the Overlap Stone, and it has a spectacular view from there, so we're super excited. Let's go, let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So we're not at the overlapping stones yet, but this is like a detour onto a rock, more private, but still with a great view. Okay, so we made it to the Overlap Rock. Got a gorgeous view.
Wow, how exciting is this?
So when you come to this waterfall, you only have to pay 20 baht for the parking. If you're walking or getting a taxi here, then it's for free, which is really nice. Okay, so we're done here at the waterfall, and now we're gonna get some lunch at our favorite little cafe on Koh Samui. because we're super hungry. A lot of climbing. So when you get to this waterfall, there's a lot of climbing because there's like not a lot of space to sit. You got to go through all the rocks, and
The rocks are slippery.
And the rocks can be very slippery, so be careful. But otherwise, super fun. The water temperature was amazing. Yeah, super fun. Okay, so we're here at Cafe's Coffee, which is our absolute favorite cafe here on Koh Samui. The food is delicious and the prices are really good for everything you get. I haven't had one complaint here, honestly.
Yeah, we were here about a year ago and we just loved it. So now we're back again. It's gonna be just as good.
We're obsessed. Everything on the menu is like, oh, this is so good. This looks good. And everything tastes amazing here as well. So it's a win-win. Okay, so another thing to do here is to come to Fisherman's Village, right? Fisherman's Village, and they have all the nice little stores that you can buy things from, and they also have some great restaurants. Okay, so we're here at TAM'S, which is our favorite little bar, or there's restaurants next to it as well, but come and watch the sun go down. Going on an island tour, and we're going to do some snorkeling, and we are busy driving to our boat. So the price for the boat, we paid actually really decent price. It was 1,500 for 3 of us for a private boat, and yeah, what you have to pay when you get onto the island, because I think it's a national park. He told me that it's 150 baht per person. So that's fine.
Alright, so we have arrived at our little long-tail boat. Look how cute it looks. And off we go. Alright, so our first destination is Pig Island.
we're on the boat right now, just having a couple of drinks while we're waiting for the clouds to pass over. The weather hasn't been too great, but I think it would only last about 20 minutes and then the sun should come out and we're gonna go snorkeling.
Okay, so now we are leaving Pig Island and we are off to go do some snorkeling and some swimming. Yay!
Point, which is all the way at the top of the mountain. If I'm correct, we have to pay. We can either walk up or you can get a cable car up to the top. So we're gonna do the cable car. She told us yesterday it's 100 baht, and we'll get some drinks up there and see how the view is. Okay, so we're now going to Jungle Club, which is our last destination here at Koh Samui, which has a spectacular view. We're gonna get some we're gonna get some drinks and just relax a little bit.